Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix battery drain problem in your iQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Here it is. Then here you have to click on search bar and type here battery like this. Then you can optimize your battery by clicking on this and click on smart optimization based on habits. You have to enable it and you can see maximum battery capacity. You can see battery capacity status is good. If it is bad, it is showing upon here. Then you have to go to apps. Here it is, all the apps. Then click on this. You have to clear cache of all the apps. You can see here, just clear the cache from here like this. It will fix your battery drain problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.